Hello, everyone. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going upstairs in my upper landing. I'm going to share with you a yard or garage sale find, and we're going to decorate this small space. If you're interested in seeing what I'm doing today, just keep on watching. Recently, my own neighborhood had their annual neighborhood garage sale. And of course, I had to go around to see what my neighbors were selling, right? Well, one of my neighbors, she was selling this beautiful black and white settee. And I could not pass on this item. And you won't believe how much I paid for it. $25. It had to come home with me. Now, yes, it needed a little work, but I knew I wanted it, and it just needed a little paint and a little cleaning, and that is it. And that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to add just a few things in this upper landing, simple touches. I'm also going to add some wall art to this blank wall because it needs it. So we're going to go right to work. Now I'm going to use painter's tape to mask off the material so I won't get any paint on it. The lady that I purchased this piece from said she used this settee, her and her husband, in their wedding, and she just did not have room anymore for it. So I told her it will go to a home that will be filled with love. I can see myself sitting on this settee, having a moment with God, saying a prayer. I can see myself just sitting here reading. I can also see myself sitting here with my grandbabies. My hubby went to the garage and he grabbed a can of black paint that we already had from a previous paint project. So that's what I'm going to use. I am so glad that the previous owner shared that information with me, that she used this piece in her wedding. Which brings me to this. Be careful what you bring into your home. And I'm going to go as far as to say who you let into your home. Bad spirits can come in not only on people, but through items as well. So I just wanted to share that thought with you. Several months ago, I visited my local SPCA thrift store. And of course, when I shop that store, I shop it when the entire store is 50% off. I came across these three mirrors that was marked $10 each. So I paid $15 for all three. And I'm going to place them on this blank wall. Using one of my favorite cleaners, the Sprayway glass cleaner, to clean these mirrors. I shopped my home and brought in this beautiful plant. It needed some greenery to liven up this space, and I'm loving it in this corner. And you already know what I'm going to add to this settee, right? I have to add some pillows and a throw. So I decorated this space for under $50. $25 for the settee, $15 for the set of 3 mirrors, and I shopped my home for the rest of the items. You don't have to break the bank to have a beautiful home. Let me know what you think about my upper landing. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok, and shop my Amazon store for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there. And I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.